Hello students, now we are going to write a program in which we will try to understand the use of keywords. So we will go to File, New, then Empty File. So the very first line of the program is to include the header file iostream. Then using namespace std int main. Now here I will demonstrate how we can use the predefined identifiers as variable names and how the use of reserved words as variable names is not allowed. Okay, so we will see the two cases, one case of predefined identifiers and the second case of reserved words. Remember, the keywords include both the reserved words and the predefined identifiers. As discussed in the lecture, we can use the name of a predefined identifier as a name of any other variable, but we cannot use a reserved word as any other variable name. So for example, I want to create a variable of data type int and I name it main. You know, main is already a predefined identifier, okay, which is the name of the main function, but here I am using the same name. The name of this integer variable is main and the value it is holding is 20. And now we will try to print this value. Cout. Now I will display a message main is equal to, then I will write main here, which will print the value of the main, then semicolon, then return 0. Okay, so now we'll try to run this. Let's save it. You see, the program is giving us the output main equal to 28. So we are able to use the name of a predefined identifier as any other variable. This is allowed. Now we will try to change this program. Now I change this variable name to char. Int char equal to 20 and then char equal to char. Char is a reserved word, but I am using it as a variable name here. Again we will try to run this. So here is an error, expected unqualified ID before equal to token. The error is in this line, which is shown by this red square. So it is saying that there is here the program or the compiler is expecting unqualified ID before equal to. This is the equal to token and here is an identifier, but it is expecting unqualified identifier. Means unqualified means which is not reserved, which is not already used. Okay, so this is the error. Similarly, in the 7th line also the compiler is showing the error, expected primary expression before char. So it is expecting char to behave like a data type. Okay, so this is the problem with using a reserved word as a identifier.